cam plate sliders. So I have here a stock cam plate slider, and then I have one of Michael's 3D printed cam plate sliders. Notice they both have an eye on them, or a line. Some guys have been installing these backwards, and it's easy to remember how they go on the cam plate just by thinking of the eye standing for inside. So the eye goes to the inside of the pie shell of your cam plate. If your eye is facing this side, you're going to have bad juju. Okay? So make sure the eye is facing inside. And UTVEngineering, Michael, has released a new slider. So this slider, if you install it backwards, this has a little raised portion here. It's not going to seat all the way. So, and he also includes this new nifty cam plate installation tool. So you just use this tool, put it on the slider and push it in, and it installs it properly. So just to show you how it looks in the sheave. Make sure I get this seated all. Actually, use the table and press down. I didn't have it on all the way. Now that it's fully seated. There's a difference in the stock, first generation, latest generation. So once again, take your cam plate installation tool on your slider and press it down against the table till it bottoms out. And this tool will be included with the new sliders. When they're properly installed, you'll see the bottom of a slider is flush with these metal tabs. If they're not flush, you need to press them in more. Once you have all your cam plate sliders installed, plop your cam plate in without rollers in and test fit. And it should slide smoothly in and out. Obviously, you want to install your cam plate sliders before installing your rollers or grease. See how easy that goes in and out? If it binds, you haven't seated them all the way. So check them and use your tool to make sure they're fully seated.